welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my DIFA haul. So recently I went to a shop called DIFA in T Nagar. I have done a complete store tour video on my channel, which I'll be linking it here, so you can go and see that. So I bought quite some products. It's a women accessory shop, so I just want to share with you what all I got. So if you're new here, please take some time and subscribe my channel. It means a lot to me, and give this video a thumbs up as well. And let's begin. So they gave me this bag along with the other paper bag which we get. So I'm going to be opening this and showing you what all I have inside. So the very first thing I got from them is a sling bag. This is a very pretty brown sling bag. I really like the quality of the handbags they have. Already I have purchased one handbag from them, and this is my second one, and I really like the quality of their handbags, and the price also seems to be very affordable. So this handbag is priced for 525 rupees, and the bag seems to be of very premium quality. There are two compartments inside, so it's quite a huge bag. You can carry it with lots of things inside, and I usually take my makeup bag, makeup pouch, and other stuff if I go to office. So I think it will be a very good office bag for me, and I really like the print of the color of this bag. The second thing which I picked from them is a watch. It's a kid's watch. It's for my elder daughter. So this watch is also of very good quality, and the price of this is 259 rupees. So next I got two sheet masks, one from Sugar, another one from the brand Mirabella. So Sugar sheet mask is very new to me because I haven't tried any skincare range from Sugar. I have the makeup products only. So I'm quite looking forward to using this product, and this one is priced for 149 rupees, and I think this one is for very dry skin people because it has aloe extract and bamboo water and Centella Astica. So I'm very excited to check how this sheet mask works, and if I really like it, I will be buying more because I really like the brand Sugar. Next I got the Carrot Fairness Facial Mask EX from the brand Mirabelle. So I've already bought Mirabelle sheet mask from the same store, and I quite like how the sheet masks are, and this one is priced for 119. Next I got a nail polish remover wipes from the brand called MOD, and this one is a lavender nail polish remover wipes, and this one has vitamin E and olive oil rich with aloe vera extracts, and this one is acetone free. So I really like the wipes more than the liquid remover. So I think the lavender flavor is going to be very good, and this one is priced for rupees 99, and it has 30 wipes. Next I got two earrings. So most of the products were packed in this Ziploc cover having their shop's name, which I really like because Ziploc covers are some of my favorite things which I use for storage, and I really like collecting them. I don't know why. So I got two earrings from them. Yeah, three earrings from them. So the very first earring are these pearl earrings. I really like how it looks. And these pearl earrings are for rupees 69. Next I got these hoops which are for 30 rupees, and I really like how the design is. And lastly I got these dangler earrings, which I think was my most favorite from the shop. If you have seen the vlog video or the store tour video, you could find this. This is a very pretty pearl with stone earring, and this is for 150 rupees. I think this is the costliest, and I think the quality is very good. I want to wear and show you guys how it looks. So this is how pretty the earring looks. I love to wear earrings, so this is I think one of my favorite picks from the earrings which I got this year. I think 2020 has been really very bad in buying earrings, so I think I never bought earrings from the month of January, and I think this one would be my favorite earring of 2020. Next product which I got from them are nail paints, which is also packed in this Ziploc cover. I got three nail paints from them, and I really like the quality. I'm going to be showing you the colors. So I got from the brand MOD, which is the same brand of the nail polish remover. So this is a very pretty chocolatey brown color. And next one is variant called cookies, and this is a very pretty pastel cookie color, and these are priced for rupees 199, so 200 rupees. And the next product which I got, the next nail polish which I got is this blue color. It's a silvery blue color it has. I really like this color. I was wearing it, but I think it faded off a little bit. And this one is priced for 125 rupees. So these were the 3 nail paints which I picked from them. And next product which I picked from them is a very pretty keychain. When I saw this, I felt this one looked like my second daughter, who's a newborn. So it was very pretty. I don't pick a lot of girly stuffs. I don't know why, but when I saw this, I was really happy to see this. And maybe because of the scarf or something which the baby is wearing, which the doll is wearing, I really like this. So I picked this very pretty keychain. So this is for rupees 25. And lastly, I picked innerwear, and this one is priced for 180 rupees. I just picked this because to know how the quality of the cloth is, and I really like it. It's not of a very premium quality, I would say, but it's a wearable one, so you can try it. And I think the price is also quite okay for the quality of the product. And I think that's all. I think, yeah, so I've completed all the things which I purchased from the DIFA showroom in T Nagar. So if you want to watch the complete store tour of DIFA showroom, I have 2 videos of the same shop, so you can go and watch that. I'll be linking that on the cards as well as on my description box, so don't forget to check that out. I hope you like this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'll be meeting you all in my next one. Till then, take care and stay tuned. Bye.